Hi guys, today I am going to teach you how to create an infinite number of Lego builds with the Legos that you have. So first, the Legos that you want to use, you need to go ahead and collect them and make sure that they're all facing upwards so that ChatGPT can see exactly what it has to work with, and lay them out and take a good clear picture, and then you can upload that picture into ChatGPT going right here, and then you just add your photo right here. Okay, and I've typed in, look at these Lego pieces in the photo and give me 3 different builds using mostly these pieces. Now you could say something like, give me a house build or a car build or an animal build. You can be specific, or you can let ChatGPT come up with the ideas. And it has given me 3 completely different builds here that are all amazing. I am going to pick one, and I'm going to tell it to create a step-by-step Lego instruction book style directions for building number, let's pick number 2. So I typed in here, create step-by-step Lego instruction book style directions for building number 2, breaking into small, easy steps and show which pieces are added at each step. Colorful instruction set. Beginning picture, all the parts that are needed, and then step by step with pictures, instructions. So easy. Show you how easy it is to get different builds from the same Legos. I've gone back and said, using the same Lego pieces from the original image that we first uploaded, create an animal build. And there you go. Easy peasy, same pieces. We have a cute dog build. So this just goes to show that if your family's anything like mine and you have thousands of Lego pieces laying around, instead of spending hundreds of dollars on Lego sets, take a picture of what you already have, let AI get creative, and come up with infinite different builds for your kiddos to build.